I want to say a very big thank you to Codix for bringing up this innovative idea to life.
We have started something great in Nigeria. We have started something great in Africa.
My experience in the course Biosensor and Nanotechnology has to be intriguing because it was beyond the normal way of learning. It was beyond the normal paper and pen of science.
The Biosensor and Nanotechnology started a year ago in the university, and it has impacted the university significantly.
I'll say to Codix a big thank you for the opportunity to be here, and also thank you for enlightening me on some things I did not certainly know.
The major takeaway from GMD speech is that don't neglect people. Networking is very important because so many people pay for this networking that others that we are receiving for free, and we should not take it for granted. Network with people, connect, talk, and don't be idle.
As a recent graduate, I'm currently at that phase where I feel like I don't really know what to do with chemistry. But coming here, I believe that as a Nigerian and a graduate of chemistry in Olabisi Onabanjo University, I can do so many great things here.
Being here and seeing the equipment, the whole processing and manufacturing of everything is really, really enlightening and eye-opening for me.
And I can tell you that the university is quite happy. The Vice Chancellor himself, very happy. People are now increasingly aware that biosensor and nanotechnology has actually come integrated into the curriculum of the university, and we are all happy for it.